Hi, welcome to Velorution TV. Today we're going to be taking a look at three of the most important folding electric e-bikes on the market today. We've got the Carbo X, we'll be looking at the Gocycle G4, and of course we've got the Brompton Electric. In this video today, we're just going to have a quick overview of each one of these bikes individually and why you might want to consider them. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell. We've got 3 separate videos coming in the future on each one of these bikes with a proper in-depth review. Let's get into it. So starting with the Carbo X, the reason why you want to consider this bike is because it weighs 13.3 kilograms. It's the lightest folding electric e-bike on the market today. Other features include a hub-driven rear motor, a Gates carbon belt drive to keep everything nice and clean, hydraulic brakes front and back, integrated lights front and back. The battery is hidden away here in the seat tube. It gives you a range of roughly about 20-25 miles. So just to quickly show you what it's like folded up, drop the seat tube down, that becomes a stand, kick the rear stand away, button in the middle and a catch. It folds in half like that and rests like so. To make it a little bit smaller, release the catch on the bars, they fold down and away. You can pick it up and walk around just as easy as that. However, should you want to, you can raise the bars, put them back in place, and you can simply walk around like this. To put it all back together, just raise the bars, lock in place. What I didn't mention earlier on is that the frame, when it's folded up, is held together by 2 quite strong magnets. You can actually just separate them yourself, but if you want to make it easy, you just turn the handlebars and everything comes apart. The bike then comes back round. We've got it the other way around now. And then you raise your saddle to your desired height. You can hop aboard and off you go. Here we have the Gocycle G4. The reason why you might want to consider this bike is because it's packed full of technology. It's got a hub-driven motor at the front, 250 watts, roughly about a 50-mile range with a battery that's hidden away in the frame here. It's got a nice clean drive here that keeps all the brakes and chain away from clothes, dogs, cats. By far my favourite feature on this bike though is hidden away here on the left-hand side of the handlebars. I'll bring you closer so you can see. It's a little red button, and the little red button is a little turbo boost thing. So if you need a little bit of a oomph to help you move away from the lights, it's there to help you do that. It's a wonderful piece of technology on this bike. So it's got rear suspension here at the back, a nice comfy saddle, hydraulic brakes front and rear. Let's have a look and see what it looks like when it's folded down. Catch here in the middle, let's just move those away. The bike folds round like so. There's a catch here on the bars, which is very robust. Oi! They fold down. There's a little band here that keeps everything in place, a little clip. And that's it. Looks like a piece of art. Look at it. You can take the saddle out and slot it down in between the frame. It's designed to do that if you want to make it a bit more compact. But really you don't need to, and you can just leave it as it is. And much like the Carbo, you can wheel it about like this and it makes moving it around a lot easier. So just to put it all back together, unclip the handlebars, they raise up. The clip moves back in place. The bike folds round. There's a catch here, just goes in place. Make sure the little bandy clip goes back. The stand kicks away. Pedals come up. And you can perch your little peachy bottom and cycle away. And here we have the Brompton Electric. The reason why you'd consider this bike is because it folds up into the smallest footprint, so you can really hide it away. It's the classic Brompton that's always been the Brompton. They've been designed and manufactured down the road here from us in London for many years. They know what they're doing when it comes to commuter bikes that fold away. This particular model has integrated lights, standard caliper brakes. One of the best features that I like about this bike, which is commonly overlooked, is the way the bike folds up and keeps everything out of the way. You might look at the gearing system here and think to yourself, well, there's nothing covering it up, so how's that going to stop oil and filth landing on my Versace Knickers. Well, Brompton thought about that. So a quick demo of how this folds up. You take the battery off. One of the best things about the battery is that you take the battery to the plug rather than the whole bike. Little catch here that you release. The bike folds in on itself underneath. You can leave it like that. That's in its stand position. The other two bikes, they had little kickstands. This is part of the Brompton design, so it folds underneath itself and you can just leave it like that. You undo the catch here and then fold the bike in on itself and it sits like so. There's one more catch here. Boink. Fold the pedal away. Goes like that, and then you can just stick this in a cupboard. So there you have it, a very small footprint that the Brompton folds down into. As I mentioned earlier on, you can see here the chain and gears are all kept in the middle of the bike. So they're away from clothes, other people at the office. And really that's it. It's as simple as that. So you can just pick it up and walk about. The battery you can have over your shoulder if you like. Is there somebody coming in? There's somebody here. We've got to keep this quick. Just quickly fold this back up. I've been making a video.
The same one.
The same one again. There we have it. 3 of the most important folding electric e-bikes on the market today and why you might want to consider getting them. We've got these available in all 4 of our locations across London. Go to velorution.com or hit the link in the description below. Book yourself a test ride, come and check them out for yourself and see what they're all about. We've got plenty more videos coming in the future, so make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell. We want to see you there. Thanks for joining us today. Bum, 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 beep, 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 bum, 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 bum.